As a transfer student at Dominican University studying political science with a minor in pre-law, what immediately stood out to me was how welcoming and supportive the community is. I appreciate how the Dominican community has provided me the skills and guidance for a legal career after graduation. So I started my undergrad at a larger university, which I felt I did not thrive in, so I decided to go to a smaller campus with smaller class sizes, which allow for a more engaging learning environment and better connections with the professors. Coming here to Dominican, immediately my peers made me feel welcome, made me feel supported, and I think that my first fall semester here as a student, my professors were able to guide me to organizations or individuals who would become my community. So I am now the president of a Latina empowerment organization here on campus. As a pre-law student, I think that Dominican does a very good job in preparing students for a legal career. Not only do they guide you through law application process, they also offer one-on-one appointments with an attorney that has gone through the law school application process. They also offer a wide variety of legal courses here on campus. I would recommend Dominican because it creates a supportive and welcoming environment. If you come in as a first-year student or as a transfer student, you will feel the welcoming environment once you step through the doors of Dominican. Your professors connect you to people who will help you with your career, and your professors really guide you in thriving personally and professionally. Not only do your professors and advisors guide you, your peers are here to see you thrive as well. You're going to create long-lasting friendships here and long-lasting career relationships as well.